Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making banana puff puff. So if you have overripe banana, this is what you can do with it. Make a delicious snack with it. So let's get started. So here is all we have to make our overripe banana puff puff, or just call it banana puff puff. I have here my 4 overripe bananas. They are small sizes, that's why I'm using 4, because I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use 3 bananas if your bananas are bigger than mine. You can see this one is still very small, so they are not that big, they are medium sizes. So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1/3 cup of sugar. I have a tablespoon of yeast and 1 cup of warm water. As we go on, we'll know whether to add more water or not, but for now we are making do with 1 cup of warm water. So I'll start by activating or proving my yeast. In case the yeast is not active, that's why we're doing this. I'll pour the yeast into a different bowl. Add it at least 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add some warm water to it and mix. I'll cover it and set aside. Into my mixing bowl, I'll put in the overripe bananas. Then I'll mash it. Smelling so good. I'll add this banana flavor to enhance the taste of the banana, so I'll add 1 cup of it. The remaining sugar, the remaining warm water, and our yeast. And then add the flour. I just added more 1/2 cup of water. So this is the test so we have. When it sits now to proof, it will increase and it will become lighter, so try not to add too much water in all. Then I'll cover it and keep in a warm place to rise or double in size. Sorry, I had to cover it with this cling film. You can see it's doubled in size. I told it to be softer. This is after about 1 hour, yeah. So it's time to go and fry it. Oil is heating up. And here we have our puff puff. Oh, it's hot, man. Oh, it's very hot. It's still hot though. No. Very delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.